Sir, and to our SK Councils, pasalamatan natin yung mga masisipag na SK Councils to be headed by SK Justine F. Amito at sa kanya mga SK Councils. Yan, nakaka-proud sila. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome here in our game number 2, Best of 3 Series Final. Let them hit the starter for your W. This is our last night ng ating Matnog Basketball. First ball possession will get by the Ace Lyron and made the first basket by Mr. Ramirez. May interest yang ating Ace Lyron na manalo ngayong gabi para bumawi mamayaras pa for the game number 3. Pero tignan natin dito yung ating WB, yung contest. Sabi ni Montes, kailangan na namin tapusin. 6:30. Here go back for the Ace Lyron, the scoring machine. Ito na yung kanyang first 2 points by Centin. Sa lahat ng mga nanood kagabi, 46 points by Centin. Game number 1, kaso nga lang natalo, pero dito pambawi. Tignan natin ulit dito WB. The 3, Nugget, the tip, wala. Rebound offensively, agawa na bola po kayo nyo. Another pin on the shot clock. Now by the Baby Shark. Assist down. Ito na the tandem. 3 good on the shot clock. Teka lang muna. Before the buzzer sounds, the referee whistle first for foul. Tama ba? Okay, before the shot clock violation, may whistle na po yung ating referee doon. Press 14 on the shot clock. Jan W. And Sophia made the basket. Para dito kay Totoy Malinaw, may kasamang contact foul on Mr. Number. Anong number nun? Committee. So number 1, his first personal foul. Aguha siya yung na-foul doon. Deadlock 4 is the score. Take it back for the Ace Lyron Centin. Now to Ramirez from that Mr. Either Aguha. Now for Carousel foul. Foul on Totoy Malinaw. His first personal foul, team foul number 1. Shooting 2 by Mr. number 74. His first is good. Para dyan kay Mr. Aceron. Now the second for Aceron. He aimed, he fired, and he made them both. Aceron magkakaroon ulit ng 2 puntos. Nakalamangan dito yung ating Ace Lyron sound, lights and sound. Back from the WB and Sophia. Here now by the small man on the floor to Montes. Yes! He is a consistent perimeter shooter. Contest Montes, number 17. Now to Mr. Aceron, the third drop, no good. Defensive rebound para dyan kay Imo Montes. Now the Baby Shark, passing drop. Oh, teka lang, lumangoy si Shark. Now on number 17. His first personal foul on Centin. And their team foul number 3, 5, 6, game clock natin. Nagsisimula pa lang game number 2. They're now by Padi. Operasyon, what a point! O, Teto! Kahit nakatalikod pa, malinaw na malinaw pa rin yung sense to make that basket by Totoy Malinaw. Now the lead will kept to by the WB and Sophia. Agawan ng bola, recovered by Aguha, nakuha. The ball pick, no good. Big rebound, back from the WB. Now by Operation Push, the Baby Shark. Drop pass and the pass. And the furious Gonzalez and Malinaw. 10-6 now is the score. Ayun na naman yung connection. Now the runner, no good. Centin try from and put back. Anticipated and Centin fire in the fire. Please, Centin, our scoring machine. Gonzalez, pass to Carino, and Carino, that was a travel. Tama nga yung sinabi ng ating SK dito, magaling. That is a traveling same foot. Yan, bawal po yun. Same foot, traveling automatic. 4 minutes exactly. Dito sa ating simula. Now Byzantine. The between leg, pass push Agua, wrong through di nakuha, bola tapi can recover, now by Mr. Aceron, di pa rin magkakaroon, now back from the W, the baby shot, the third back, the veterans, Mr. Piso, Operasyo. Count 9. Now the scoring machine against by Carino. Fire in the train. Good. Defensive rebound by Paday. Ofrasio to Malinaw. Malinaw, try move. Skate drive. Rivers. Good. Back. Offensive rebound para dito kay Ofrasio. Bola pinasa sa taas dito kay Montes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kailangan mabit dito ni Montes. Now by Mr. Number 45. Pasa sa ilalim. Yes, sir. 3 minutes. Lipat ba? 49. Now Byzantine. That's another miscommunication. 49. Ito na naman yung ating Sofia. But Agua, nakuha yung bola. Diba there was a steal, missed, recover by Barbecho. Nagod pa rin. Tapi ka na bola. Agua nakakuha to the scoring machine. Wala pa rin. Outlet pass. What a nice outlet. And Paul Carino surely made that basket piece of pie. Just like picking an apple, easy 2 points. Nagpapasimula na naman sila na magpalobo ng Kalamangan, WB and Sophia. Agaw bola, the baby shark attack! Yes! 2 minutes, time out! Time out! 2 minutes. Okay, ready? Yeah. Fire from downtown. There was a 3-point shots. Yeah. From downtown, answer no good. Now down another fire. Look at Montes. That was a stop the clock traveling. Yeah. 18-12 is scoring natin. Check. Centine. Pass to Barbecho. 3-point shots. Wala. Whistle by the official foul call on number 19, a second personal foul. And that was the second team foul ng ating WB and Sophia. 1 minute and 20 on the game clock. Substitution. Magagawa yan. 14 seconds is the shot clock. Yan, wag po haharangan yung speaker. Yan, thank you. 3 Byzantine. No good. That was an all-target 3-on-1 situation. Imao Montes. 20-12 is the score. Yung mga nakikilala natin yung mga players dito dahil sa mga boss nila, di ba? 20-12 minute to play here in our first quarter. Tapik na balik at in another all the way the playing carpet. Paul Carino. 22-12. Just like last night, yan din umabot ng double digit. Kailangan na din nilang kumonekta dito ng ating Ace Lion on top, baby shark attack. Yes, third. Isang dosena na naman. Nasa na yung magandang laro dito ng ating Ace Lion. Our scoring machine. At ito may plano. Yung WB, sinigurado. Look at that double team pot. there is a second option to get another basket here for the Ace Lion. Hindi na masyadong nagsunod doon. Ito si Centin. 8 seconds remaining on the game clock. Down to 5 to manage. Last shots natin. Tignan natin. Getting open. Pick and open. That was the end of our first quarter. 24-14 in favor by the WBL Sophia. Makakuha pa kaya ng revanse? Dito yung ating Ace Lion Run. First attack here in the second is for the Sophia. Operasio pass through. Carino. No good rebound by Agua. Out of bounds. Ten-point leads double digit. Centin find a way in the open pass. Give it for two. Para John kay Aceron. The lead cut into a single digit and 8 remaining. Now pull up, piso. Pass to Imao. The good offensive rebound and Carino. Get the put-back shot back into 10 points. Now by Mr. Barreto. Kinging out to Akuha. Set up dito para dyan kay scoring machine. Double team etong si scoring machine. 10 seconds in the screen from the top of the key tree. The good. Fire. Hit back one. Go. Take back in. The shot attack. Good. Rebound by number 24. Pull away. Yes, sir. Yung napahirap Kung napapansin natin dito, ito si short attack. Sobrang bilis para dyan sa Sophia. Timeout muna po tayo para po dyan sa ating WBL Sophia. 5:45 on the game clock here in the second quarter. Masyado pang maaga para simpatya. Dito ng ating game number 2, Centin. Look at that challenge. Fine. Open miss pass by Centin. Now by number 16. Salcedo. Pass to Gornales. Now Montes, the favorite. Perimeter by Montes. Never been contest if Mr. Montes fire on the line. 5:14 on the game clock, Centin. And there's a foul for number 12, Gregorio Akashudi. That was the 3 shots. Substituted. Eto na. Ay, Pogi, Vega. Pakitanggal mo na yung hikaw mo. Ayan. Bawal yung hikaw. Dapat, ikaw lang. Okay? 16 seconds. Rather, 5 and 11. 30-17. First on Centin. Medyo, etong si Centin. Kung napapansin, medyo matumal yung score natin dito. Ang adjustment dito ng WBN Sophia is malaki yung respeto sa pagdepensa kay Centin. 46 point last night, kaya dino-double team siya. But Centin di magpapaangat. Perfect on the line. 3 out of 3 free throws. And he got 8 this time at the moment. The 3-point shots, marksman. Gornales, look at 4 minutes. Kick block. Here comes now by the scoring machine. Isa, dalawa. At talaga, lucky. Yeah. That was number 19. Etong si Vega, his first personal foul. Gawin mong number 91 yan. Kasi si Totoy kanina is 19. Yeah, number 91 mo, okay? 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Crossover. Here comes Centin. Oh! Big rebound para dyan kay Vega. Vega to Bornales. Bornales drop it to Montes. Montes pushing. Naghalimaw si Imao. 4:35. 32-19. Now baseline open. Pwede pang ilapit. But miss. Here comes Imao. And now the pretty boy. Woo! Puti na lang, pogi na. Rizzo. Foul number 16 second GPL substitution. And now by J.R. Mondigo. Tama ba yung pangalan, Kuya? Kuya Mondigo? J.R. Yeah. rather 32-19, 4 and 13. Centene find the 3. That was an off target. Nagkasalubong, dalawang WB. Gregorio get a rebound to Bornales. Bornales pass to Vega. Vega catch, pass to Salcedo. 4 minutes on the game clock. Now Bornales. Salcedo, huwag ka nang mahiya. Itira mo na. Good. Rebound by Mr. Number 7. Push down back for the ace Tyrone. Oh, what a nice bump miss. Para dyan kay Centene nagawa ng bola. Down on the ball. Here comes na babalik para po dyan sa ating WB. Now the pretty boy. Yes. Wow. Delicious. Vegalicious. 34-19. Nasa na uli yung ating play. Sir, the ace line on and come, Barbecho. Kailangan nating makasagot. Sabi dito ni Barbecho, para magdire-diretso yung pambawi. Maibaba ang lamang. Now by Mr. Gonzalez, around Morales. Now to Mandigo. Salcedo! Miss! That was last touch pa po yung ating ace line. 1 good on the shot clock. 9 seconds. Salcedo catch on the air. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Here now by Vegalicious. Pass to Gregorio. In and out basket. Our extra rice. 36-21. Now by Centene. Cut down. Foul call on number... That was Vega, second personal foul, number 91, penalty. 2 shots. Substitution muna, basket. Bigyan mo muna ulit. Nandito na si pare. Sige lang, pare. Flores, Basok. If you notice this action, hindi lang basta kasi opensa ang ginagawa ng WB and Sophia. Yung depensa din nila masyadong masigit para makadrive yung ating ace iron. First good on number 14. But if you can see the team foul situation here, nasa penalty na yung ating WB, but still no foul connected for the ace iron and sounds. Montigo drop. Bola na tapik. Montigo trying to push 10 seconds. Pass to number 19, Vegalicious. One pass, and Mr. Putback high. Kaning lamig. Extra rice. Gregorio. 38-22. 2 minutes and 15. And, ayun na nga yung sinasabi natin, hindi nagtitipid yung WB and Sophia na magkaroon ng foul to control that attack. Substitution. Gregorio out for Aragon. Penalty. Hindi nila inaantala yung penalty. Basta mapigilan lang yung kanilang atake. And that is a big advantage for the W Sophia. Pero itong si Centene, sa free throw, bumabawi. He got 4 out of 4 on the line. 3 kanina, 2 ngayon, at 5 nang walang sablay para kay Centene. 5 out of 5. 35, or rather 38-24. The marksman, pass to the Dragon, Aragon, Nugget. Rebound, come on, up. Campbell, bola ng ating ace line on substitution. Salcedo. Ayan, out muna para dito kay Baby Shark. 2 minutes. Centene, Balanches. That isn't good call. Foul, that was an over D cylinder connected foul on Mr. Aragon. Vega will out for Carino. 3 shots, remember 5 out of 5 on Centene. Ayan, di sumasablay. 6 na tira, 6 na pumasok. May 2 pa kay Centene. Oh, but at the moment, he missed that second try. He got only 11 here. Number 17, Centene. out of 25, pero siya rin yung may pinakamarami, ha? Substitution. Sino po yan? Mondigo. Galit ka? 38-26. The marksman, Bornales. Fine hook, good rebound. Carino block. Offensive rebound, and that was a nice challenge. Hindi ka pwede, sabi ni Belen, the boy golden. 140. Now by Centine. Ball deflected. About that was the last touch pa. Substitution. Bornales will out for Mr. Piso. Paddy of Frasio. 38-26. Still a double digit. Now Shorek. Pass to number 20, Pine, and Aragon. Get that alley-oop play. 40-26. Centine. 15 shot clock, double team. Barbecho. Fine way to escape. Ayun na naman yung steal. Yan. Pervera, segunda, tercera, kwarta. Ang bilis talaga. 1 minute. Ito na naman. Pervera. Segunda, tercera, kwarta. Walang pera. 5:50. Still by Mr. Carino. Extra ball. First cross. Oh! Pero ang ganda ng pasa. Ang sagwa ng tira. Yan na by Mr. Montes. Ball pick. Top ball. And it's a foul. Now, on number 24. Shooting two by Mr. Emil Montes. Versus good by Montes. Ako nga, sino papalitan mo? The second is off. Defensive rebound for the ace line run, lights and sound. And now the scoring machine, he got 11. Or rather 12 out of 26. Securing by Carino. Now Centine, 14. It is a steal. And now by the Baby Shark. Baby Shark pa lang yan. Paano pag naging Daddy Shark na yan? 15 seconds. The three. Bam! What a nice long three. 5 seconds. Carino didn't catch it good. 5 remaining to get the last basket here for the ace line run. Pwede ba yan? Para mabawasan yung lamang. The pass on half. Now Barbecho, Pine, Centine. Pick, pump, float, short glass. At the end of the first half, he got 45-29. If I'm not mistaken, that was his 6. Lang, basta may yellow. 45-29. Now switch court. Bilis talaga ni Baby Shark. But that was a double dribbling. Yes, Shark, that was a double dribbling. Good call by the referee. Dahil, teka lang, wag mo na kayo magmadali. Saan kayo pupunta?
Yung pagtapon niya kasi.
Yung pagtapon is a part of the dribble. Good call. Shark, ako na yung sasabi. Good call. As part of the official. 6:50. And now, dapat isang kamay lang. Okay? 6:45. 6:44. The three. Bang! Ito yung hinahanap natin para sa ating scoring machine, Centine, ng ating ace line run. Yung sumabog siya sa mga 3-point shot. The follow-up. Pegalicious. Ang gwapo mo. 47-32 back for Centine scoring machine. Centine, pass to Flores. Flores, fire three. Noted. Rebound tapikan ng bola Vega. Pass to Shark. Crossover sa harap ng depensa nakuha. And now, Shark recover the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass now to Montes. Montes pass to Mr. Aragon behind back, and the ball out. Same basketball. Ayan. Sige, tapit pa. 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Oprasio. 5 remaining. Pass to Imao. Montes no good. Rebound, tap ball, and Montes get conditioned for that offensive rebound. 5:40. Now to Centin. Our scoring machine, Centin, the sidestep. Fine open. Yes, sir! Basket for 2 para doon kay Goma. Balong kamay, ano? 5:25. Game clock natin, piso-piso. Operasyon agad. Rebound natin babalik dito para po dyan sa ating ace light. And down, Ramirez to Centin. Foul number 19. Ayan, timeout muna tayo. 5 and 14, sulitin na natin huling gabi. Yeah. The 3-point shot, bang! Surprising 3 by Centin. Scoring machine, Centin. Now he got 16. 10-point down. Masyadong mahaba po yung oras natin dito para makabawi ang ating ace line run to make this action exciting. Number 19. Oh! Totoy Malinaw. Back at 12 points. Centin behind the back. The screen. Vega for the top. Recover. Ito na yung tira sa taas. Ito ni Flores na good. Now Totoy Malinaw to Vega. Piso-piso sa kanto. Operasyo. Yes, a deadly piso-piso shot. 14-15 game clock, 14 umangat na naman ang lamang dito ng ating WB, and another checks Operasyo, bola na bitawan by number 21, the floater, no good rebound, agawan, sundot dito ni Flores pero nakuha ni Contes, Mr. Nava, number 45, pass to Operasyo, under 4, Vega, open pick, the pretty boy, Vegalicious. 3:45. Now the lead will up once again at 16, the biggest lead. Number 17, Centin. Hindi na tumatama yung mga target ni Centin. Here comes now by the baby shark. Daniel Gonzalez. Pass to Operasyo. The good. Sipag di Operasyo. Time out muna. Time out for the ace, like a Lyron sound, lights and sound. Lyron, lights and sound. Parang ano lang, no? School base lang, palarong pambansa, tuloy-tuloy. 3 and 20. The lead will up at 16 from that miss. Now by Mr. Berbucho. Another put back, cleaning as in a mess. Cleaning his own mess, siya pa rin yung gumawa ng paraan para malinis yung kanyang pagkakamali doon. 3 minutes, foul para dito kay Agua. Second personal foul on Agua. Team foul number 1. Three minutes remaining here in the third. Paul Carino. Carino pass to Gregorio. Gregorio pass to Totoy. Libre masahe bangga. Bola nawala. Now Berberto. Pass kay Flores. Flores to Centin. Centin slice. Hang time. Way drop. From the left still a lot. Shot clock remaining. Ito na. Yung tira ni Flores di pumasok. Here called by the small. But terrible. Oh, naipit. It's a traveling. Walang magagawa. Yung pating. Yung pisnet dumating. 2:25. 15 seconds. Shot clock. The runner off the glass. Barbecho get for 2. 53-41. And we have a momentum here for the ace line run. Hanggang kailan yan? That was a blocking foul. Hand check. Santin, second personal substitution. You know, Bernales will out para dito kay Base. And Baby Shark replacing by Base. 2 minutes on the game clock, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Step back, top by Aguha. Now Carino. Oh, recover. Pump, the head. Yes, Base. $55-41. Santin is still leading the attack, pero talaga yung respeto dito, double team yung ginagawa dito kay Santin. Kaya yung kagabi, hindi niya na mauulit Totoy, malinaw! Get the give and go basket. Gusto mang gawin ni Santin yung kagabi, yung respeto matindi. Okay, that was an foul. Number 19. Referee, teka lang yung chihuahua, kawawa. Padaanin niyo po. And substitution. Balik itong si Belen, our boy Golden. One more. Now Mondigo will back for the WBN Sofia. 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining here at our third quarter game number 2. Belen, pass to Barbecho. Barbecho, pass to Aguha. 5 seconds on the shot clock recover. Need to release. And Pelen's 3 points. Lucky 3-point shots para po kay Ramirez. 57-44. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Try to post. Eto Caldad. Pasa. Tira. Wala. Rebound. Topek. Base. Basket. Well, 5 seconds difference. Shot clock to the game clock here in our third corner. Down to ISO. That was a foul. Push. By number 0, sabi ni Base, nakataas naman yung kamay ko But foul, hindi kami dun bumabase. Sabi ni referee, yung katawan tumulak. Person's good. That was a 2 out of 2 for Barbecho. 59-46. Need a big break here. Need a big break for the ace line run to make back konting oras, segundo dito sa ating third quarter. And the glass. Get it by Bernales. 5 seconds. Here now, Belen. Chance to get that last shot. And the 2. Pumasok buzzer beater yung tira ni Stephen Curry. 61 point. White flower. Okay, back in our action. This is our final quarter. Ang tanong tatapusin na ba ng ating WB Sophia tong laban na to ngayong gabi? Our championship o isa pa mamaya? Yang ating ace Lyron, the tap. Go back, rather, for to. Ace Lyron, the 3-bang! Deadly shooter talaga. 3-point shot shooter talaga itong si Flores. The lead will cut into 10 but still a double digit. Pass by Obrasio to Carino. And Totoy malinaw. Binanggana sa taas, matibay pa rin. Totoy ba to? Basket. with a foul call on number 21. Ang lakas ng upper body strength by Totoy Malinaw. He can jump. He can jump strong on the air. Kayang-kaya niyang magtagal sa kanyang upper body strength. 6:20. 64-51, balik na naman sa 13 ang abante. Sentin, find the open shooter. And ito na yung Stephen Curry. 6 minutes, game clock, down at 10. The Baby Shark. Isolation. Deliver. Oh! Malakas yung reverse. Ganda sana nun. Same basketball. 14 shot clock pare. And no bandits control nila. Result 14 on the shot. Ato naman na! Kilala nyo bilang tipaklong And that was Jean Paul Carino. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Sentin. Behind back. Pasa dito kay Flores. Step back! Almost! That's a steal. Turn up by Totoy Malinaw. The pass. And the furious basket. Grabing tandem. The connection. Diba? Dynamic duo. Oh, there's a whistle. Tama na. Sige, referee. Kanina yan. Oh. Kay kay Sir na. Yan, Sir. Sige. Yan, rock and roll to the world draft. Substitution, Carino out. Section 8-54 is the score here in the final quarter. Nakalusot the zigzag and roll. Basket by Sentin. 5 minutes on the game clock. Okay. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Just a steal para kay Flores to Acua. Acua good. Now Flores ball pick. Hang time block. Recover. Acua. Yeto na. Down to 10 ulit. 4-40. Now Shark. Pass to Montes. Montes. Assess. Grabe. Nagmimirienta sa ere. 4:20. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Sentin close deep for Vega. 10 seconds. Labanan ng mga gwapo. Hello, number 19. Vega, sport personal foul. 4 ka na, Vega. Warning na you. Pag nag-graduate ka, pupunta ka dito kay kuya, ay kay ate. Yes, 10 seconds. Flores 5 remaining shot clock. Acua. Get the contact, illegal contact to the hand. Shooting arm. Foul. Kaya lang po muna. Foul muna kay number 5. Team foul number 4. Okay, passer. Substitution. Roldan out para kay Barbacho. Okay, alam nyo na yung proseso. Okay. Shooting 2 by Mr. Acua. Perso, di nakuha. Tingnan natin kay Agua, second time. Hindi bumababa yung lamang dito ng ating WB and Sophia. Rather Montes, talagang naiiwan pa rin pala sila. Pati sa transition sa mga pasa. And Operasyo, take that basket easily. 72-58 now. Again, it's a 14 points. Flores. Crossover, foul. Already out of bounds. Time out muna po tayo para po dyan sa ating WB and Sophia. Kaya bukas, ayan, hindi ko para. Taga-Bicol na rin ako. 3:36. Foul. Eto na. Ay, sayang. Vega, pang-5 na yan. Vega, buzzer mo, idol. Ayan. 5 fouls on Vega. An enemy has been slain. Dito ka na daw, Vega. Shooting 2 for Mr. Centine. How about Centine? Parang hindi pa po siya nakaka-20 puntos dito. Just like before last night. 21 pa lang. Dati, kagabi, 40 plus na siya, di ba? Yung sekreto, yung dahilan yung depensa ng WB, nirespeto. Binantayan ng todo. Etong si Centine. 3:30. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 down. Now by Mr. Ofracio. Pass to Carino. Same put. Ayan, good call. Si referee, same put. Napakalinis na tawag. Tawagin niyo si referee, Mr. Clean. Kilala niyo yun? Yung logo. 3:10. 15 seconds. Check ball. Outlet. Totoy malinaw. Mabibilis talaga At yung kanilang, yun yung tinatawag na team chemistry. Di ba? Yung kanilang mga connection, alam na yung isa't isa. The close D by Montes. 10 seconds. On the shot clock, 2 and 40. Centine. Go drive, connect. 23 points by Centine. 2:36. Now Totoy Malinaw down the ladder. Pass to short. Gonzalez Daniel. Daniel ang taga-diskarte dito ng ating Sophia. Double between and net speed and a half time. Lalap mess. Foul. Foul number 1. Illegal contact to the hand. Talagang napakalinis ng officiating ni Sarah, Mr. Clean. 2 and 19. First throw is good. Second throw para dito kay Daniel Gonzalez. Ang idol ng lahat, Daniel Gonzalez. And it's 2 out of 2. 2 minutes and 15. Centine still recovering. Still trying to recover. That three-drop connect. May mga team play naman din talaga. Dito yung ating ace line one. Last 2 minutes. Ayan. Foul on number 21. Ayan, si referee naman kanina, Mr. Clean ngayon. Rock and roll to the world. After 90 minutes, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Piso ni Opracio, no good. Pitch by Centine, pass to Barbecho. Barbecho diretso. Kinapos! Push, walang depensa. Si Totoy Bato. Naiwan, napagod na naman. And actually, pwede din nating sabihin, yung kakulangan ng kanilang mga players. Di ba? Kagabi din, yun din yung problema nila. Centine got that easy layup. 1 minute and 31 remaining on the game clock. 78-66. Operation! Yes, sir! 125. Centine. Step back. Pass to Stephen Curry. No good. 1 more 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3. Malalakas lang yung tira ni Idol pero shooter talaga. 1 minute remaining game clock. And this is an almost championship. This is an almost victory para dyan sa ating WB and Sophia. Out of bounds. 50 remaining. Parang alam na natin ng kasunod nito. Tugtog na. 15-second shot clock. 10 remaining. Okay, turnover. 32 seconds. Yan, habang may oras. Walang may oras. Ano? Sige po, tapusin natin ang oras. Respeto natin yan. Ready? Hanggat may oras. Yan, tumitira pa. Respeto natin yan. Basket. Yan, may depensa pa rin. Okay, sa tingin nyo, okay na ba tayo? Sige pa, meron pa. Yan, ibigay natin. Sige. Ten seconds. Okay, sige ako natatapos. Okay, congratulations. Para po dyan sa ating WBNCP Our Matnog Basketball Tournament Junior Champion. The team